Hi everyone, my name is Chiva. I'm the chairman of the Educational Committee of the European Society of Gynaecological Oncology, and it's for me again a great pleasure to have the opportunity of sharing with you that we are going to have a new bowel course.
After the great success of the first ESGO Bowel Surgery course, I want to invite those of you who have missed this opportunity to attend the second edition of this course.
And it's going to be a great course with, great speakers to have the opportunity of learning together all what a gynecological oncologist has to know and have to train regarding bowel surgery in gynecological oncology.
Luis Chiva, Denis Kerle and I have designed a more extended program to provide you all the insights on bowel surgery.
And it is going to be in the near future part of the fellowship curriculum.
Join us for an interactive discussion on real-life cases. See you at the course.
Looking forward to see you in this new course on May.